t-shirt. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I am extremely excited to announce that it is made in partnership with Ernst Manufacturing. If you guys saw in a previous video, I did a review on one of their socket organizers and we were getting to talking, and they were gracious enough to send over a big old box with some more of their products for me to take a look at. So if you guys are interested in anything you see in today's video, all the links will be down in the description. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the products in today's video, all of the links will be listed for you guys down below to check out. They also like me to mention that they are currently running a 10% off discount on their website with free shipping over $75, so make sure to check that out as well. So without further ado, let's get into some of their products. The first product they actually sent over is the exact same thing that I reviewed in a previous video. This is their socket organizer, and what I love about these is that they utilize this really cool twist lock mechanism that I haven't seen a lot of other organizers do. This makes it super easy to remove your socket from the rail and then put it right back into place and lock it. It's nice for transporting as well as reorganizing your stuff. The rails actually fully detach from the trays so that you can move them around. Ernst also includes a pack of labels so you can go through and label all of the different pegs so you know exactly where your sockets go, which is really handy. I personally don't use this on my own set of stuff, but I can see how it'd be super useful if you're sharing tools with someone else or they're in a shop being used by multiple techs, so I'm glad they included it. Again, like you guys can see, we got that high-vis colorway here. They also come in red and green, blue, and orange, I believe, so there's lots of different color choices for you guys. Currently, these are $50 on Amazon, so make sure to check out those links below. The other colors fluctuate just a couple dollars in prices. I think the high-vis is actually the cheapest, which is great because this is my favorite. Now onto something that actually hasn't been reviewed on the channel yet. This is Ernst's wrench organizer. This thing is super nice. This is part of their gripper lineup, so you can see they've got these tiny little arms right here that actually kind of allow your wrenches to clip into place so that if you're moving this stuff around, if you're taking it from your toolbox and you're working out on the street or out on your driveway, you can just grab the whole tray and not have to worry about any of your wrenches going flying. It's also nice for if you're opening and closing your toolbox a bunch, your wrenches don't move around a bunch in the actual slots, they all stay in place. And then again, we got this in that high-vis colorway. They also have black and red, I believe, and these range anywhere from $7 to $12 depending on the size. You can get these to hold only like as little as 4 wrenches, and then I believe up to 15, so they cover a good spectrum of wrench sets. I'm really excited about these. Now, they sent over quite a bit of stuff, which I'm extremely grateful. Thank you again, Ernst. And you guys are probably wondering what I plan on doing with this stuff. Some of this stuff is actually getting given away in a future video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Again, thank you guys for watching, and obviously thank you to Ernst for sending over all of this stuff. Make sure to like and subscribe for future videos. That's about all I got for you guys today. Peace.